So as promised, we have a trading session. I'm trading GBP out and Euro USD, so I just have one trade for now, and I'll be using the binary, the ample binary trading pattern. So it involves the trend and price action. So this is an upward channel we have over here. So I'll be looking for any touches either on the upper side and downside. And for GBP, sometimes I do analyze these charts, right? So I still have the trade, but this is another chart. So just put on some channels over here. Just look out for any signals we get from both of these charts. So right here, there are two attempts here to break. So we are going to enter on the third attempt because these are strong uptrend. Ready to form there. 1, 2, yeah. We should enter at this point now. Alright. So we have two trades running. Okay. So let's look at Euro USD. Oh, here's another one. We've been broken. It might take a retest, so we just adding the time so that we get up for the retest. And you can see the trend is already running nicely. So this one, I'm looking for this one to go very low around this point because it's an uptrend that has been broken. So let's wait and see for that one. Oh, GBP out is finished. Alright, we are gonna use Fibonacci now. We need to see where the levels that we have for this trend. So that right now we are 38.2. So I'm looking forward to it coming down until this level. Yeah, and it's going down. So we'll be looking for a retest here on GBP around that point. Okay. Yeah, it's broken. So this means that while using Fibonacci and hit 61.8 means that it's gonna go down. Okay, we just looking for a retest on this level. It's now you're coming. Nice. It's an uptrend. We have over here. So you can see it's still going down. When it hits 61.8, it just means we're gonna go down to 100. That's it for now. I don't think I'll take more trades. Yeah, let's stop it right now. So thanks guys for watching, and subscribe to the channel and keep learning about Fibonacci trend lines and support lines. They are very useful. Share this video.